Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Scan workflow for paper to PDF productivity, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Adobe Scan application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account for full functionality. Select the camera icon to start scanning documents. Position your document within the camera frame. Wait for the app to automatically detect the edges of the paper. If necessary, manually adjust the edges using the provided crop tool. Tap the capture button to take a photo of the document. Once the scan is captured, review the image for clarity. If adjustments are needed, use the editing features such as rotate, crop, or filter. Tap Save PDF to convert the scan into a PDF format. Choose the destination for your saved PDF, either locally or on Adobe Cloud. For improved workflow, navigate to the settings in Adobe Scan. Select the option for file naming to create a consistent naming scheme. Consider enabling automatic cloud backup for easy file access across devices. If you scan documents frequently, take advantage of creating folders within Adobe Cloud. Organize your scans by project or client for efficient retrieval. Regularly review and delete unnecessary scans to keep your workspace tidy. Explore the additional features such as OCR for searchable text within your PDFs. Utilize the sharing options to send your documents directly from the app. Familiarize yourself with Adobe Scan's integration with other Adobe products for enhanced Test your workflow by completing a few scans and adjusting settings as needed for optimal results. Keep your app updated to ensure access to the latest features and improvements. By following these steps, you can streamline your paper to PDF productivity using Adobe Scan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.